dear children, welcome back to our Gurudeva e-learning classes. In previous part, we studied about one of the poem. That one is Young and Old. Today we have to discuss your seventh lesson. That one is how the Parsis came to India. Your seventh lesson, how the Parsis came to India. Written by Shamla Kumar Das. Yes, she is a faculty member of the Center for Material Development, and she creates a interesting models for English training programs for children and teachers. Yes, this is all about the author Shamala Kumar Das. This story highlights the few people coming from the new place. How did the native place people welcome the new people for their native? Yes, dear children, India is a country provided by thousands of religions. Yes, like Hindu, Christians, Parsis, Jains, Sikhs. Yes, so many religions we saw in our country. Yes, dear children, we may have different language, different religion, different color, but we all belong to one human race. This is the speciality of our India and Indian democracy. Yes, dear children, it is very hard to satisfy. It is very hard to clamp down. It is very hard to be happy in our family. Yes, because in our family we have different type of peoples and have different type of thinking. But how it is possible to be a peaceful in our country with having so many religions? Yes, this is the speciality of our India and Indian democracy. Yes, dear children, very proud and I felt very happy to say Vande Mataram. Yes, we are all one. Symbol of religions, Christian. This is the symbol of the religion, Hindu. This is the symbol of the religion, Muslims. Yes, this is nothing but unity in diversity. Okay, let us check our seventh lesson, how the Parsis came to India. In this lesson, we have two scenes. Let us check what is the first scene in the lesson. Okay, all of you open your textbook at the page number 60. Scene 1. The scene takes place in a room in the house of a local chieftain of Sarjan in Gujarat. The chieftain name is Jadhav Rana. The year is 936 CE. Yes, 36 E. In 936 EE, one of the rulers called Jadhav Rana. He is the chieftain of the Sarjan in Gujarat. Here, chieftain means leader. Here, chieftain, Chieftain, chieftain means leader. Okay, Jadhav Rana is the chieftain of the Sarjan, present in the Gujarat state. Okay, people present. Jadhav Rana is seated on his throne surrounded by his advisors. They are shown to be in discussion. Two servants stand behind Jadhav Rana and fan him. Yes, this scene takes place in one of the royal court. Yes, Jadhav Rana seated on his throne. The two servants blow the air to the Jadhav Rana and advisors all are sitting in the royal court around the king. The discussion is interrupted by the arrival of a messenger. He bows before Jadhav Rana and stands with bowed head and joined hands, waiting for permission to speak. At the time, one of the servants came to the court of the Jadhav Rana and he is waiting for permission to speak with the Jadhav Rana. Jadhav Rana with annoyance, don't you see that we are in the middle of the very important discussion? Why have you interrupted us? Now, speak quickly and tell me why you have come in rushing like this. Yes, at the time, Jadhav Rana annoyed with the servant. Yes, they are all discussing about one of the important matter. In the middle, the servant wanted to talk with the Jadhav Rana. That's why the king get angry, and he also blamed to the servant like, why did you interrupted in the middle of the discussion? Now speak quickly and tell me, why have you come in rushing like this? Okay, then tell me, why did you interrupted our meeting and why did you rushing like this? Tell me what was happened. Messenger, frightened. Please forgive me, my lord. This is an urgent matter. Anchal Ranna himself asked me to directly bring this message to you. Yes, the servant was very frightened. Yes, and he also apologized to the king and told, please forgive me, my lord. I have to deliver one important matter to you from Anchal Rana. That's why I interrupted your meeting. Jadhav Rana, well, give me the message then. Jadhav Rana told to the messenger, okay, give me the message. What was it? The messenger gives a scroll to one of the servant. Interrupted means, what is meant by interrupted? How did you pronounce? interrupted. Interrupted means broken in the middle. Okay, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗು ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Okay, to you. That's why I interrupted in the meeting. Yes, here urgent means important. Okay, the messenger need to deliver one important thing to the king. That's why he interrupted in the meeting. Jadhav Rana, well, give me the message then. Now Jadhav Rana told like, now give me the message. The messenger gives a scroll to one of the servants. The servants offered to Jadhav Rana, who ordered one of his advisors to take the scroll and read it. Yes, the message was written in the scroll. So the king gave a permission to read the message in the present in the scroll. So one of the advisor take the scroll and he started the reading. Advisor 1 unrolled the scroll and read it. To His Highness Jadhav Rana, ruler of Sanjan, from Anchal Rana, his humble servant. Your Highness, it has been brought to my notice that a ship carrying a group of people from a foreign land has reached the coast of Sanjan. I have not allowed them to enter our territory. Without your permission, they will not be allowed to set foot in our land. There are old people and women among them, and most importantly, they appear to be a peace-loving. Yes, one of the advisor unrolled the scroll and he started reading. In that message, Anchal Rana wrote like, he noticed a ship carrying a people from the foreign land. It has reached the coast of Sarjan. He did not allow the peoples to his territory without the permission of Jadhav Rana. So they did not allow to sit here. Set foot means enter. What is the another word for set foot in means enter. Here Anchal Rana told like, he did not allow to the foreigners without the permission of the Jadhav Rana. Okay, he did not allow to set foot in our land. There are old people and women among them, and most importantly, they appear to be peace-loving. He noticed in that boat there are some people, old men and women. They appear to be peace-loving. Please tell me what I should do. I await your orders. Thanking you. Always at your service, Anchal Rana. Yes, you want to take a permission from the Jadhav Rana. So he sent the message, and he also told what is the plight of the people in that boat. Yes, he also told they appear to be peace-loving. He did not allow to their territory without the permission of Jadhav Rana. So he asking a permission from the Jadhav Rana. Jadhav Rana. Jadhav Rana, turning to his advisors, a ship carrying a many people landing in Sanjan, the two from a foreign land. Anchal Rana says, "What do you think we should do?" Yes, Jadhav Rana, the king, Jadhav Rana wanted to take advice from their courtiers. Hence, what should we do? Advisor 1. They might turn out to be dangerous. I think Anchal Rana should be instructed to drive them away from our shores. When the Jadhav Rana asked to his courtiers, what should we do about this situation? One of the advisor told like the ship came from foreign land. We did not know what type of the people in that ship. So it is very dangerous to land the ship in our country. So we have to send the message to Anchal Rana like to drive them away from our shores. Advisor 2. At the time, number 2 wanted to give a suggestion to the king. What he told, let us check. On the other hand, Sire, Anchal Rana himself says that they look peace-loving. Moreover, there are old men and women among them. Your Highness could summon some of their representatives to royal court here. Anchal Rana could accompany them and ensure that they are not carrying weapons. Yes, another advisor wanted to give a suggestion to the king. And he told like, Anchal Rana only says, he only noticed and he told about the appearance of the people like they are all peace loving. Yes, in that boat they are old man and women. So we felt didn't harm from the peoples. And he also told Your Highness could summon some of the representative to the royal court here. Here summon means call officially. Yes, the advisor told we have to receive the people, but we have to receive the representative of the people only. First we have to check how the people are, and we have to call the people without the weapon. First we have to check the people if they have weapons or not. Here we have to ensure that they are not carrying the weapons. Yes, first after we have to call officially to our court. Jadhav Rana. Yes, I think that sounds reasonable. What is meant by reasonable? Reasonable. Reasonable means sensible, means feel good. Jadhav Rana take the suggestion from the advisor too, and he also told yes, that one is reasonable. Let us find out what they want before we turn them away. Write a reply quickly to the Anchal Rana through the messenger. Issue instruction to Anchal Rana that only our representative should be allowed to come. He should take precaution to see that they are not carrying arms. Yes, the Jadhav Rana. Yes, Jadhav Rana also wanted to receive the people what they want from ours. Hence he told to the one of the servant, send the message quickly. Instruction, give the instruction. Here issue. Issue means give. Issue the instruction to the Anchal Rana. Issue means give. Give the precautions. First he wanted to check the people if they have weapons or not. Advisor number 2. Yes, my lord, I will do needful. Turn to the messenger. Come with me, I will give you the reply. Advisor number 2 felt very happy, and he also told the servant like, come with me. I want to write the message to Anchal Rana. Yes, This is all about the scene first, how the Parsis came to India. We will continue second scene in your next class. Thank you.